The Earth's climate has always changed. Temperatures have risen and fallen over thousands of years. But it's now happening at a much faster rate than ever before. Climate change results from us burning fossil fuels, which in turn releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Because of this, the layer of greenhouse gas is getting thicker, making the Earth warmer from North Pole to South and everywhere in between. Some of the impacts from increasing temperature are happening now. This rapid change in temperature is having widespread and profound consequences for Earth's living organisms. From melting ice worldwide, especially at the Earth's poles, which is resulting in rising sea levels, which in turn creates a loss of habitat for animals such as polar bears, which need the ice in order to hunt and survive. There are now increased floods and droughts across the globe due to extreme weather events which are becoming more frequent, resulting in many animals suffering. Therefore, ecosystems will change. Some species will move farther north and become more successful. Others, however, won't be able to move and could become extinct. The impact of climate change on a particular species can ripple through a food web and affect a wide range of organisms. Failing to adjust to the timing of life cycle events may jeopardize populations by causing ecological mismatches. Such mismatches are being felt by migrating birds. Birds wintering south undertake an immense journey of both time and energy to migrate thousands of miles to areas in high resources such as food, nesting locations and a warmer climate. Long-distance migrants travel from areas south of the Sahara compared to short-distance migrants from Europe and North Africa. Birds nesting in the northern hemisphere tend to migrate in the spring to take advantage of emerging insect populations, budding plants and an abundance of nest locations. The timing of migration is crucial, as arriving too early could result in adverse weather conditions and poor food supply. On the other hand, arriving too late can reduce fitness due to a lack of mates and territories. In recent decades, the Northern Hemisphere has undergone rapid warming. This increase in winter and spring temperatures has led to an advancement of spring phenological events such as leaf unfolding and flowering. This has resulted in migratory birds advancing their spring arrivals. But it seems the birds are not migrating early enough and are lagging behind. These temperature shifts are leading to a mismatch in the bird's ecology. Due to the advancement of trees emerging and plants flowering, the insects in which the birds depend on for survival are hatching earlier and earlier each year, creating a devastating cascading effect for the birds due to a lack of food upon arrival. And maybe for these reasons there is a decline in migratory birds, especially long-distance migrants, due to the larger thermal delays. We therefore need to help stop this rapid increase in global warming, or the decline in migrating birds could eventually cause them to become extinct.